Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Soul Red Metallic 2015 Mazda 6 iSport, stock number A6917. As you can see, this is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a 17-inch Advanta tire. Inside, there's a black cloth upholstery that's in fantastic condition. You do have seating for 2 in the front row, and there is seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Mazda 6. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. Coming to the rear, there is a dual exhaust here. You've also got a backup camera, and there is keyless entry for the trunk. The reason that I'm showing you this Mazda today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are carpeted floor mats. You've got traction controls here to the left of the steering wheel. And stepping inside, there is a push button start. I'll start the engine and then we'll take an odometer reading. Alright, you've got 35,639 actual miles. On the left of the steering wheel, there are audio controls. On the right-hand side, you have cruise control buttons. Coming over to the center, you do have a CD player and an AM/FM radio here. You've also got capabilities for Pandora radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You've got a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage will get you around 38 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Mazda or to schedule your test drive, visit holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.